everyone, welcome back to you. Today is very special. If you thought you and your friends think that we cannot make a single app or a website without a knowledge of coding or any other programming languages. Now it's all gone. This video helps you to build a cool website without a coding and low coding. Just a minute. If you are watching this video first time, please watch the previous video of no coding. It helps you to continue this video on that process. This video is based on the previous video of no coding. It helps you to build a websites, apps, automations and any other things that you want to get on the tech life. Now let's talk about no coding and low coding. It seems like easy and quick process to explain small things to understand you better. Awesome ways to build a websites, apps, automations and any other things without being an expert in coding or any other programming language. First, we want to understand what is no coding and low coding. No coding means it's easy to use, no coding experts and the times will be saved on no coding. Let's move to the low coding. Low coding means low flexibility and little bit of code for executing complex of apps, websites and any other things that may be useful for your low coding. No coding means it's just like a easy and simple ways to understand the everything in a without knowing even single part of the coding or any other programming language like drag and drop shipments and to build websites, apps and automations and any other things that you want to build on your career. Let's move to the low coding. If you do not watch my previous video, please go and watch. That may be helpful for your no coding journey with an example and easy to use. If I explain on this video of no coding, it will take too much of time of you. The time is very precious for everyone that you are. Now, low coding is a kind of thing that may be useful for your little bit of code that may be helpful for customization of website, automations, animes, pictures and any other things. That's a kind of middle age of ground that may be useful for easy and simple tools that may be considered in a low coding. And you maybe control the small bit of snippets of code in a customization of apps, websites and any other things that may be useful. Some example of low coding. Let's take an example on you. You have to build a website for business. That may be login page and other things that may be involved in that website or app and payment also. You can do it with a low coding tools like our system or Microsoft Power Apps. These two tools are very powerful to build a app and website for interior of low coding. That may be useful for your life to get a low coding journey. It may be in our systems or Microsoft Power Apps also. These two are very powerful to create a apps, websites and any other things that you want to useful on the journey of platforms where you can design a little bit of coding and customization of control on to build their own websites. And here is some point. Great developers can also use low coding for better and faster developing things that may be useful and create a unique way of creating in a expert of coder that may be developer or any other person to create a uniqueness that may be powerful thing that must be very helpful for easy way to simplify their time for creating tons of apps and websites in a single click also. Let's move to the who can use this no coding and low coding. If you are small business owners or freelancers or any other, you must be try to use no coding platforms where the process will be quick and simple ways to no coding platforms where you can build web apps, websites or any other things that you want to build. Let's move to the no coding. If you're working in a big team, building a customized tools and you must be a low coding bit of power to generate even customized things on the website and apps to convert their intelligence of equality to have a bigger things on a low coding also. So last thing last, whether you are a beginner techie guy, you must learn a no coding and low coding for best career path to enter into a industry level of thinking and they may have a particular reasons of tools that may be useful for no coding and low coding. And the tools are very easy and powerful that may makes you best output of things that may be creating an app or a website and many other things that may be useful for your growth. If you are curious about starting your life in no coding and low coding, you must hit a like button to this video and drop a comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I will make you a full series of low coding. Subscribe for more easy and beginner techie things. This is Shanmuka Sri Vaishnav signing off. Let's meet in a new video. Thank you.